Hello guys, hello everybody, welcome back to Jonalyn and American Guy channel. Today's video we have a very interesting topic that we're going to talk about coffee and how you can turn this fresh coffee bean into a cup of coffee. So back home in the Philippines, my mom and my parents grow a coffee which is can only feed for the family, so it's not much, but we have enough to enjoy. And back home my mom roast her coffee using firewood and ladle and just mix it for 30 minutes. But obviously here in abroad we can't do that, and I have to use the machine to roast my coffee. So today I'm going to show you how to roast your coffee and turn into a cup of coffee. So let's get started and enjoy the coffee.
Now we start our coffee with the fresh beans from the Philippines, and we get ready our toaster. This is, you can get it from online. And now it's ready. I'm going to put our fresh coffee and let the roasting begin. Cover it up and leave it for about 45 minutes. Meanwhile, just enjoy the garden with these two lovely dogs. And this is about 15 minutes ago from roasting. And we just keep it roasting until it's almost ready. 35 minutes. About 40 minutes. There you go, it's almost done. We're supposed to keep it so that the heat, it won't come out. There's also a hole to provide for the smoke to come out, and we just leave it and we're almost done. Now we're going to check. Still not yet. Need another 5 minutes maximum.